Right, quick update from the T+A OEC 2000 speakers. This is the crossover board. There's a 26 volts power supply diode. This is a transformer. This is the power of all the amps. I'm going to replace the caps, and that's the main big caps is 20,000 microfarad. These are the modules. You see 3 base modules, mid, high and high. And here is the other one. I already removed the caps and the crossover board. Also that one, 26 volt, is dead. So I'm not sure what goes on. Just a small vlog with the update, and of course my radio standby just for background music. And here is the other parts of the modules from the other speaker. Same thing, 3 bass, low, mid, mid, high. Bear in mind the top is done by tubes or valves, and that's still running fine. Bye bye for now.